What's going on, guys? So today we're doing a short visit to the junkyard again. We're here at the Wilmington one, and I did see 05 Honda Accord, and I noticed that on my K24 the heater pipe is bent, and so like I'm using the Honda Accord water pump housing. I need the corresponding one to the Honda Accord, which I don't have, guys. Oops, sidetrack. Manual. Look at this. Ready. Weeboo-ish. WRX Impreza. Non-brand exhaust. Manual. So, anyway, I have to get a little detour. So basically, like I'm using the Honda Accord water pump housing. I also need the thermostat housing and the heater pipe. So really don't want to go out and buy it, so might as well come to the junkyard and get it. And here it goes. So let's double check. 2005. Oh, Honda. So what we need off it is pretty much the heater pipe. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking that apart, guys. Sit down our tools. So there's gonna be a bunch of just 10s and 12s. Let's get the impact gun out. We're gonna need this. We might take that. First, I'm gonna start taking off all these hoses that connect, because we have to take off the intake manifold. Where's our 10? And it's always missing. So it was a 17 and a 14 to take out the starter. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to take this hose off, which we do not need, but do need the clamp. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that was kind of painful, I'm not gonna lie. So now it's just a couple 10s. First one's a bit tricky. Might as well take out the thermostat housing, just because we're not gonna need it. when you buy it brand new, it comes with the housing and the thermostat. So I already have a few of these, so no need for any more. Yeah, so we won't be using this. Put that aside for the next fellow. And there you go, now we can access the boat. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty tedious fight. We went ahead and grabbed the hose. We cut it from back there, so now it's free. So now we have to use our pliers and basically get some of the extra hoses that we don't need. Fucking OEM clips are fucking awesome, but there you go. At the same time, they're a pain in the ass. Really do. So this is what we need for our Honda Accord. So pretty much, if we would have bought this at the dealer, it would have been a lot more expensive. So might as well just get it from the junkyard. The price shouldn't be as bad. So what I'm gonna do now is just use our pliers and take out some of these unnecessary hoses that we don't need. Yep, I'm gonna keep some of these IM clamps. So the heater pipe looks good, and I know there's a little bushing that goes in there. The last time I didn't take it because the TSX one had all this damage. Oop, let me not forget about this right here. So here you go guys, the 05 Honda Accord. This is the water pump housing. I just have to buy a new gasket for it, as this one is crusty. The OEM one goes here, and this should wrap around my K24. I believe the one in my hand is bent up. Hopefully I don't, but I'd rather have it than need it. When it comes on to the thermostat, we're not gonna take it just because I'm not sure how old is it and all that, so that's gonna go ahead and stay there. Outside, and this is today's haul. Yeah, so this is not bad for being OEM with OEM housing. There's a little rubber grommet or bushing that keeps that in there, makes it from leaking. So not bad. We paid a whopping $4.46, and with taxes and all the other shit, we paid $7.15. Not bad, because I believe it was like, I'll post it right here what the price was for both items. They're both separate, so not bad, not bad. So not bad for a short day. Just come to the junkyard.